This is the weekly warm-up, where every week I share free exercises to help you grow your vocal technique and know your voice better. Hey singers! Last week I showed you how to create a nice tall ah vowel by putting pressure with the thumb on the highest part of the hard palate. I'll link that video below, but today we're going to get that vowel into motion by doing a moving passage that incorporates consonants alongside the vowel. Now, oftentimes when we go to create consonants, we end up chewing our vowel and kind of compromising its space, but that's not necessary. Sometimes we overwork the jaw, and I want to show you today two particular consonants, L and Y, that you can make without any jaw movement whatsoever. Let's start with those. First, I want you to take the tip of the tongue and put it up against the frontmost part of the hard palate to make L. La 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 la. Try that with me. La 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 la. Now, let's park the tip of the tongue right behind the bottom teeth, and we're going to move the back of the tongue for ya 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 ya. Try that. That's a little trickier without the jaw moving. Ya 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 ya. Let's go for the gold and go between the two. You'll be rocking the tongue back and forth and keeping the middle space of the mouth just open and unbothered. La ya, la ya, la ya. Feel that? Now let's put it into action with the vowel. Find that nice tall space. Ah. And now we're just going to rock the tongue on either side of it. Let's go here. This is going to be a quick 9-note scale on la ya, la ya, la. Try that with me. La ya. Let's go here. La, ya, la, la. One more. La, ya, la. Now, if you're able to really decouple the movement of the tongue and jaw from the palate, you'll be able to keep the palate firm and high while the jaw and the tongue do their actions. You might not even need any jaw action at all. This is a great exercise for working on your coordination, and because it's nice and quick and covers a large range, it's a great one for warming up too. I hope you enjoy it and that it's useful for you. If you like this exercise, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more voice exercises every Thursday. Thank you for practicing.